And we're monitoring a lot of that severe weather across the state. 13 on your side's Alexis Dumergine was in the middle of the high winds and heavy rain earlier this afternoon. Alexis will tell us what she saw.
Yeah, Micah, I was out earlier in Oshtemo Township where we saw a marathon station get completely tipped over. And a gas station employee told me a car was pulling out as it tipped over. But the gas station is not the only one with damage.
Within a minute, all of a sudden I looked out and it was pure white and I couldn't see nothing. And Sam goes, "Oh, your deck is gone."
That pool deck has been standing strong since 2003, but 80-mile-per-hour winds from the storm did some significant damage.
It was like I blanked out, I looked up and everything was gone.
Their pool deck wasn't the only one with damage. Just 15 minutes down the road,
What do you think seeing it for the first time?
I think it's a disaster.
one homeowner's roof was blown off of his barn.
So we decided we were going to go to the basement for cover. And as we were going down, we seen a pine tree in the front yard going over, and all the wind and action come up. So when we come back up, we seen all the roof parts all over the backyard.
Jackie has been living in her home her whole life. Shaken up by the wind, she went to take cover in her basement in fear of a possible tornado.
I was starting to freak out and I thought the windows were gonna break. And then I looked out, it literally looked like a hurricane.
Ed told us that his barn had been standing for 40 years and he had never had anything like this happen before, but the barn wasn't the only one that was damaged.
We were in our house, and the tree was going over as we were going down the steps.
After 80-mile-per-hour winds tore through the area, homeowners Jackie and Ed are left dealing with the significant damage to their property. In the newsroom, Alexis Dumergine, 13 on your side.